kids? We back with another YouTube video. And today, as I can see in the title, Knox Gave Form, that's where I'm going today. I was supposed to leave like a long time ago. It was my friend's house, but I'm gonna go over her house later on. It's like a group of people going for my friend's birthday. But it don't start until like 7 I think. This lighting is like not good. I'm gonna set the camera right here. It don't start until 7. I'm gonna be vlogging my phone from phone. Some on my GoPro once I get there because bringing a camera is too much. But right now I've just been doing TikToks, just sitting here, cause I'm all dressed. Let's keep my shoes on, and my backpack's packed. But yeah, before we start this video, I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button down below. Hit the post notifications bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll probably see y'all when I leave my house, which is like probably in an hour or two. But yeah, be back, fools. Y'all, while I'm sitting here. So y'all, while I'm sitting here waiting, I don't know how long it's been. I think it's been an hour since I first recorded the first intro, but I'm gonna show y'all the outfit of the day. So you can't see the outfit yet. My room's actually clean, y'all. But okay, so don't mind the dirty mirror. Hold on. So I'm just keeping it real simple. I may switch it to jean shorts, but this is how it looks. We got the chain with the Nike shirts, gray sweat shorts, and these shoes because since we're going to Knox Gave Form, I don't want all my good shoes to get dirty, and these are black, so I can easily just clean these off real quick if I want to wear these again. But yeah, I'll probably be back when I'm in my friend's house, so. So y'all already know I had to switch it up. I put on some pants because even though I'm finna be running, I don't want my legs to get scratched up or anything. It's probably gonna be cold. I got my jacket in my backpack, so it's cool. It's alright. But yeah, I just switched up the outfit. I'm gonna put the backpack on too. I have a black jacket on. Backpack, and then hold on. I got you. Let me put on a jacket. I'll show y'all. The whole fit. I was going to wear my champion one, but that's my school backpack, and I don't want to mess that up. So, I'm finna see the outfit, bro. Wait. I said, hold up. I finna. Ooh. We got the timber. No, it's playing. Ooh. Yeah. Whoa. Y'all was even recording, but yeah, my grandma just came. We finna leave. I have to go pee, so I'll be back when I get to my friend's house. Y'all. So bye. Okay. Got my water. Got the pass. Got and everything. Ooh, you can't see the address. Yeah. Yeah.
That paper for me?
No.
Your mama done leave no paper for me? Oh,
Thank you so much, Nana. Okay, I've made it to this hotel. Wait, hold on, I need some better lighting. So, I made it. Obi's over there. Where did they go?
I just checked my phone.
You could have just used the cord.
What?
You could have just used the cord.
Why would I take it out?
I'll probably be back, y'all.
Hey, ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, but that just made it worse. Hey guys. Hey guys. We're going to knots again. The iconic knots. Why do I look like this? And yeah, I'm going to Knott's Scrape Farm. I think y'all know me already. My name is Victoria. Duh. Period. But yeah, and Obi's over there. And Tyler. Cute couple or whatever. But can't relate. Can't relate. But we're not. See you guys there. Mike.
So this is the birthday girl. We have Jaden in the building.
Why you got me looking like this?
And we got Tyler. Wait, where's the bathroom? Oh, it's right here. Never mind.
That's good.
Why are they sticks?
Boy, I don't know. Go to the bathroom.
Hey, let's go.
Okay, I can't film in here. It's not good. Bye. All right.
Okay, yeah, so.
Wrong way.
Obi just tried to finesse the back seat for me. Like, what'd I do?
I have lotion for you. Wait, did I bring my lotion? Yes, I did. You need lotion?
Victoria, why would you do that? You was not getting in the back seat.
What are you talking about? Yes, I
You
was.
literally pushed me.
I know I didn't. I opened
Yes,
the
so
door.
we on our way. So here goes your
You was
lotion.
in the way. So.
Yeah, see y'all when we get there. What time is it? It
I don't know
is.
what to tell you.
551.
Okay, thank you. 521. Y'all heard that? I can't even say it right.
My knots countdown ended. Let me post it. That's gonna be me.
When I switched to AIS to incorporate my home, which I wasn't planning on it. I got
Girls come out with their mamas on
So-
Saturday.
Oh no. So
If I didn't know white people don't like black people, why is the white stuff doing that to our heads?
I know.
But how did she
Look
how
at that
did she
nipple.
know you were helping other people though?
Who gonna stab us? Stop always agreeing when I look stupid. Like, stop.
You always.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay, why did this look better? I need to get more in.
We both look at him.
Oh, thank you.
I know.
The unified trash can. There's so many dang people here. It makes no sense. I have to pee, like seriously pee. So many people. I can't see.
Wait for him anyway.
Man, that's it. How did it work?
Yo, I'm gonna be back later.
Huh?
I was talking to the vlog.
You said
I'm
y'all?
gonna be back later. Where are they?
Okay, go off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Okay, bye guys.
I'm gonna go. So, we ran away from like
You
a
guys,
lot.
we almost died.
Almost died. We finna get on Soul Spin now.
Sing a song to get through them. We had to sing that.
Bro, I was so tired.
We were running so fast.
And then he started chasing us in the house. Like, nah,
He came into our ear. He said, "Run."
I know. Oh, run. I'm like, I know, I'm tired. Yo, but yo, we finna go on Soul Spin. Be back. Fool.
Us walking past the monsters. You
So we just got off a soul spin. We finna go on this LA Revolution.
Okay. The monsters are over here. I forgot. This is
It's the worst area. I told you.
Bathroom.
Who gonna stop us? Who gonna stop us? Who gonna stop us?
Don't stop us. Nobody.
Can we get... Okay, so y'all, real quick, I'm finna go to the scary part, the worst scary part where the fog is real quick. By myself. So I'm finna turn off this light and see what happened. It's not really foggy.
It's like a little.
Never mind. Oh no, that's not gonna work out. I cannot go through that really. I looked at this guy and this guy started looking at me and no, there's fog. Yeah, this fog. It's fog. I'm scared. Go back. We only got a one for right now. Yeah, we going back. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. So me and Tyler left the girls. Oh, there's fog again. Because we want to see through the monsters real quick. Where I was just trying to go by myself.
Oh, where they at?
They finna come up. Watch. I hope that same tall guy is not here like it was 3 years ago. Okay. Ooh. Wait, it hasn't even started. Wait, where was the guy that was right here? Oh! Stop it. Stop it. Stop. 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 Ah! We didn't even go all the way through.
And it was a lot.
No, there was this one crawler guy
Are you okay?
that came to follow us.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Give me.
We going to the vlog. We going to the vlog.
Y'all, he had a straight face the whole ride.
This guy is.
I swear.
Huh?
We're going to Camp Snoopy, where all the good things are. Let's go. We.
Can you lock with us?
Come on. Fuck.
I'm running.
What's up, y'all? You know.
What's up?
Alright, Tyler,
We
what's
got
my
two
dare?
vloggers. You have to go hug a monster right now.
Alright.
The next one you see.
Alright.
She's
I gotta
vlogging
get my
too.
dare.
Okay. Can you stay with me though?
Alright, guys. This is not scary form. We about to Tyler. This is true.
Okay, I need to turn off the light because I need to see.
You said a dare? Alright. Alright, bet. Hope y'all can see. There's gonna be some monsters up here. I gotta hook them. Alright, try to hook this. Hey, Slack, I'm gonna go hug the monster.
Hey, it's fog.
I'm gonna take a picture with one.
Oh, I thought that was. Oh, snap, why y'all dreads?
Wait, we should take a picture. Oh shoot.
Hey, hi. Just please don't do it. Please, no. Stop it. You know not to do that. Oh, run. Stop. No.
Billy over
Something
here.
on your camera.
Billy.
Look, I'm crazy. Tell me. Before we leave, we gotta go back to that light area. I need a thumbnail. Can you hold this?
What's up, vlog?
What's up, sis?
Look, say hi.
She said I'm shy.
Hey, say hi. Bro, y'all whack. Where's the rest of them? Tyler, ready?
Where is other Tyler?
I didn't want to say hi to the vlog. Y'all, they don't want to say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hey, gang, gang. I'm good at vlogging. See, say hi. Say what's up. Hey.
She'll catch you. Snip, snip.
Clowns are crazy these days. Y'all, we finna get on Shadows of the Evil. You're dead.
I'm scared. I've never been.
Me either. Never been.
Scared.
So we finna get on. You already know what the deal is.
Almost capture a ghost tonight. You guys want to try to catch a ghost? Yeah? Alright, let's do it. Barry, what's going on down there?
Time for this.
Barry, let me just break this real quick, okay?
Screw this!
No. Okay, that's fine. The spirits escaped, but I'm sure it's gone and... Oh, God, it's right there.
You're all going to die.
What it do? Wait, no, I'm not doing an intro. I'm doing an outro. But I haven't been filming outros for these videos lately because, well, just for this one because I was just tired. But we got on like a couple of mazes you seen. We kept running. We got on a few rides, whatsoever. But I feel like the camera quality now on this phone is like trash. It's like, I don't know if it's just because it's compared to the 11 and 11 Pro, or they just messed up the camera quality. But it looks, it's not too bad, but it doesn't look too good. But this video was fun. I'm going back soon. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button down below so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I think I'm gonna post 2 times a week in school. Started back and it's kind of like hard to post 3 times a week and make content for y'all. So I think I'm gonna just do Monday and Friday, or Monday and Saturday. Most likely, definitely Monday. I'm definitely gonna post on Monday, every Monday. But yeah. But yeah, Famous Kid is out. You dig? See you in the next vlog.